Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we just did for the sapele road, then we just did so this place the sapele road then we just did so, and today we get request say make we waka for inside one street when dey for close to this sapele road. That street then they dey call Ohen street, then they dey call that street. So we say make we waka for inside the Ohen street. So I want to thank you very much to you and give us this Ohen street. Say thank you very much. Say I really appreciate say you give us this street because personally speaking, me I no able to know street as streets really be. But thank God say I dey get request say make I do some streets. So that's why I can't get to know some streets. So I want to thank you very much to you and give us this Orange Street. Say make we waka for inside the Orange Street. Right now we dey for the Sapele Road. Now we just dey so.
Shake your body.
So I want to say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time when you dey come Heartbeat Info, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you never come before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So today we will carry us enter the Ohen Street. So one of our person give us this street say make we waka for inside this Ohen Street. So I want to say thank you very much to you and give us this Owen Street. So thank you very much. This street won the waka so, and me this particular street so I no really get to know the name of this particular street because I dey ask people, I dey get to get different name wey dey call this street. So I no fit pinpoint the exact name. That's why before I finally find that Owen Street, e hard me well. Na when I come dey waka for other street now I come find out say this particular street wey we dey wey we wan for waka na im be Ohen street because that street e hard me, and one of our person don give me the request since say make I waka for inside the Ohen street, and I no fit locate the street because of say many street for inside Benin right now dey hard to really get the name of the street, especially when church no dey for inside the street. So right now the street won't just enter, so na be the old sapele road. So this place won't just dey, so na dem dey call the old sapele road. So we don dis old sapele road we don get request say make we waka for inside dis old sapele road. Dis road e dey very very long. Remember when we waka for inside bypass, we still see the old sapele road. So me, I no really know the history of dis road, how come dem come change dis one to the other one. So because na here na be the old sapele road, and the Ohen street start from the old sapele road. So right now we don get to the Ohen street. So dis street na dem dey call the Ohen street. So we dey see say dis street dey face lot of challenges too, and some parts of dis street dem don tire some part, while some parts dem never tire am. So that's one thing, especially for the ending side of dis Ohen street, dem never tire am at all, but small of dis beginning small, you see say dem don tire dis side. So I wan say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If dis na your first time wey you dey come Heartbeat Info, I wan say a big welcome to you. So we dey see say from dis side of the Orange street now say dem don tar dis side, but we dey see say the drainage system right now say e don block, e don be like wetin don block. And make no forget say we never enter inside rainy season for inside Benin o, but we don dey see the effect of rain for inside Benin, especially because of say our drainage system for Benin no too dey effective, especially for some areas. Like dis place now we dey waka so na dem dey call the Ohen street. So dis place na public toilet wey dem make for here. So but you see am say e no dey effective again, like I no know who make dat particular public toilet for here, and na solar panel, but right now the thing no dey work again for inside dis place. One thing wey we dey experience right now for inside, make I just say Nigeria, na say lack of main ten ance culture na be one thing wey we really dey experience. Say after people don make some project, especially the government don make project, we go come see say the project no come work again because of say lack of main ten ance. So dis street na dem dey call Omoregbe street, na be the name of dis street. So dis street na Omoregbe street. So for dis place so now the place wey e come be like say the road for come end, because the tarring e get one place wey e for end. Dat place so na im be the bus stop. Like keke napep dey pass dis road a lot, keke napep dey pass am well well, but na where the road come for end na im keke for dey stop. Like wey dem for tar dis road reach, na there keke napep for dey stop. So dat other side come be like say na im dem dey call the upper Ohen. but not be the upper Ohen, but people dey call am say na after keke bus stop na im dem for stop, na im dis tarring for end. So after dat keke bus stop, dat place dem never tar dat place at all. So but for dis place now wey we dey pass so now, so dem don tar here, but once you don reach keke bus stop dem never tar am. And one thing na say bike no dey operate for inside dis environment, and dis environment na 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 still Ekai na im be dis place. So dis place na still Ekai. Make no forget say we don fit waka for inside Ekai before. So if you wan see Ekai, just type EKAE, then you go see Ekai. Dis place so wey we dey waka so na still Ekai community na im still be dis one so, but dis one dey very far from, like e be like almost the border of the Ekai community, but here na still Ekai community. So dis place na im dem dey call Ohen street, na im be the name of dis street so. Dis street start from the old sapele road, you come go end there. Where you for go end e suppose pass but development never reach dat the end of dis street, because for the end of dis street dem still dey build houses for dat place. So dey get dey see occupated building and bush dey dat place, so no way wey I fit pass bush, because the house wey dey for there, come be like say na the house na im come close the road, because dis road na very very long road. So dis road na im dey call Ohen street. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very much. Say I really appreciate say you dey watch Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very very much. Say I really appreciate say you dey watch Heartbeat Info. And you wey dey support me financially, I wan say God go richly bless you. Say thank you very very much. And you wey dey advise me, I wan say thank you very very much. Say I really appreciate your advice. Say thank you very very much. Make no forget say right now say na the Ekai community na im we for dey waka, and dis street wey we dey so na im dem dey call the Ohen street, na im be the name of dis street. So dey see say many of the streets wey dey for here now, say dem never tar many of the street, and dis streets now all here na Ekai community. So even dis place now sef we no dey get to see say we get the Ekai health center and different places dey for inside dis environment, but the name of dis street na im dem dey call Ohen street, na im be the name of dis street. So one thing I say, if you dey come dis environment now, so keke napep for dis environment, the price na ₦100 to the bus stop. So from the sapele road junction, dat place so, or the old sapele road, so if you carry dis keke napep from there now to the keke napep bus stop for dis Ohen street, na ₦100. But if you wan come pass the keke napep bus stop, den you and the driver go come negotiate the price. So the price go come dey different. So right now some keke napep drivers dey wan dey try to carry 150, but the official price na ₦100, and thank God say those people now dey still dey carry the ₦100, dem never still change to 150. But during that period when fuel scarce, that time when fuel scarce, dis dey come dey carry 150, but ever since fuel come down everything, dey come reverse the price to ₦100. So that one na, at least dey try for that one, say dey reverse the price, because for everywhere now many people no even reverse their price, but these guys reverse their price. So very 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 nice, very very nice of them say dey reverse the price, because me I dey enter keke napep well well. I no get motor, so so I dey get to know the prices of the keke napep, because na my pocket e go affect. So that's why. So this shop for here now, na this shop na I for buy water when I dey waka, because before I see this road I fit waka for this road like more than 2 or 3 times. When I see am finish, I come check out how the road be, check how the everywhere be for this environment. So I fit waka for here, and when I waka for there now, that place na I for buy cold water to drink. So I just feel say make I just talk am, because the water was so nice for that particular store there. So we dey still waka for the Ohen street. So we dey see say the drainage system for here now, say e dey get one or two issues right now, because e come be like say grass don dey cover the drainage, and immediately rain start now properly, that means this place might dey flooded. So we no really know how this place go really be. So that's wetin make us dey pray say make this place dey much more better, and the drainage system make dey try to work on the drainage system for inside this environment. I don't know if the government fit pass laws to say each person, your outside of your drainage, you suppose clear am and make am good. I no really know if that kind law dey exist. But make we no forget say right now say we dey for Ohen street. This street start from the old sapele road na e for start. So this place now they call the Abu Avenue. That be the name of this avenue. So the Abu Avenue. You see, say for this environment now, say many of the streets say they never tar many of the streets for inside this place. So that's one thing wey we dey experience for inside this Ohen street. So this Ohen street because of that one one thing wey we dey notice na say sand come dey full ground. I just feel say because of say other places now say e still develop that's why sand dey always dey full ground. So we don dey near the bus stop so na this environment na im the bus stop dey. So this place so we just dey so na im be the keke napep bus stop. So you see keke napep na here for the town. So na this point na im be the keke napep bus stop. So if you take keke napep and you wan go pass this place, just know say you go come pay extra money. Sometimes some no go go pass here while some when you pay them extra money then you come fit pass this place here. So you come pass here but here no be ₦100 again o. Here fit be 150 if the keke napep carry una say una many here fit be more than here fit be 150 and above but if na only you one that mean say e fit be ₦300 because most times to transfer keke napep from that junction now with passenger as dey come down you wan pay extra you fit go pay 150 extra join am or 250 that's 200 then you come pay 300 say which way you dey go. So I think that one dey very nice in a way if you no sabi if you no wan waka with your leg. So you see for this place now say we dey get to see has this development still dey happen for inside this side. So I feel say that's why especially from this side now reach that Gobaja side they never water the streets, never tie am. So they see this place now, say water don dey gather for this side of the road now, say water don dey gather for here. So that's one thing now wey never even start to. And right now if you notice am now, say no more drainage for this place again. So right now no more drainage for this place right now. This street na the Africana Drive, na be the name of this street. So that street na Africana Drive. So you see say that place now no more drainage, no more drainage for inside this environment right now. So we no really understand everything now, but see am for here now. But once the waka dey go front, you no see drainage again. So e come be like say at that point now no more drainage again. So that's one thing. From this side now to the keke napep bus stop, that side just dey really bad. So dey face lot of challenges. So we dey hope say the authorities say they go see this video and also try their best to work on that street, because at least they try for this environment, say this place get tar some parts and the thing get drainage system. So they try for that one. So they hope say they will just finish that particular side. So before I forget now, this place now we don waka for inside this road. This road na dey call the Gobadia road. This road na Gobadia. This road starts from this Ohen, e come go end for the country home road. So we don waka for inside the Gobadia before. So if you wan check am out, just type Gobadia, then you go see that particular road wey dem dey call Gobadia. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very much. Say I really appreciate say you dey watch Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very much. Make no forget say right now say na the Ohen street na we for the waka. I wan say thank you very much to you wey dey advise me on how to waka for inside this our great city, Benin City. I wan say thank you very much. And you wey dey support me financially, I wan say God will richly bless you. Say thank you very much. Make no forget say we dey waka for the Ohen street. This street start from the old sapele road, then for start, then e come go end for one place. Na close e for go end, e be like close but e still be like continuation of street. That place na bush, so we go reach there make we for see am how that place really be. So right now we don dey almost get to the end of the street now. So you see am say this street for here now because I no go fit pass again. Come be like say this Ohen street Ohen na close na e for Congo end. So from here now people dey build building for this side oo. Many building dey park am for this side like people dey build house for this side. But come be like say na here na the street for end. So I no really know if na here the street for really end because there was no way wey I fit pass again. So all there na just bush. I come feel say na there na the Ohen street for end. So right now we don dey very close to the Ohen street ending. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very much say I really appreciate say you dey watch Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very much. You wey dey support Heartbeat Info financially, I wan say God go richly bless you. Say thank you very much. You wey dey watch Heartbeat Info, I wan say thank you very much. You wey dey support me through advice, I wan say thank you very much. And I wan say till we meet again on another walk, have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very much.